Hello friends, welcome to Anandi Arts and Crafts. In this video, I am going to show Masala Rice Puff, a very tasty all-time snack. Let's look onto the ingredients. 1 kilo rice puff, 2 green chillies chopped, 1 cup mint leaves, half cup roasted Bengal gram, half cup curry leaves, 1 cup coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon haldi powder, quarter teaspoon jaljeera powder, pinch of pink salt, pinch of white salt. So let's start making. Firstly, wash, dry and chop the coriander finely. Remember, there should not be any water. Same way, wash, dry and chop the mint leaves too, as I am doing. Don't chop very finely. Also chop curry leaves. You can add more curry leaves if you want. Now take a big kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When hot, add jeera. Add roasted Bengal gram. Stir fry till it becomes light brown. Now add green chillies. Fry them little till it becomes crisp. Add quarter teaspoon haldi powder and stir well. Keep the gas in low flame. Add curry leaves and stir fry till crisp. Now add coriander and mint and stir fry. Keep stirring in low flame till they become crunchy. When the green leaves become nice crisp, switch off the gas. Now add red chilli powder. Add the rice puff and mix well. Keep mixing continuously. Now add a pinch of pink salt, a pinch of white salt and quarter teaspoon of jaljeera powder. Jaljeera powder is to give a sour taste. Now add the powdered sugar. Now mix well. Now remove the kadai and keep it down and mix well. So after mixing, crush the curry leaves and chilies which are nice and crispy. We are crushing so that you get the flavor in every bite. Try crushing as much possible. So we are almost done. You may transfer it in an airtight container. It's really very tasty and mouth-watering. Once you have it, you like to have more and more. You can make and keep for a week. You can have it whenever you want. like you're a little hungry and you want to have some snack, so you can have this. You can also take this when you're in travel. So our tasty yummy masala rice puff is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. I'll bring more and more amazing recipes, so stay tuned. And for more amazing content, please look onto my channel. I upload all kinds of videos. You can also follow me in FB or Insta, link in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.